Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's the big test. We finished the fire pit today, so we're gonna check it out, see if it's smokeless, like it's supposed to be. As you can see, the chickens are running around. So this is the first test. Our wood might still be too wet. Nope, here it comes. Huh? Yeah, I know it. Not bad. It'll smoke until it gets real hot, and then it should stop smoking. From what the videos say, if you did it right. And there it goes. It's starting to go down. Really isn't that hot yet. You gotta remember everything was still a little damp. It might not get hot enough at this time.